Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Pokémon Go. Here we click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget